Is your money stuck in international borders? Exploring SoFi for non-US citizens. Ever feel like your finances are stuck on a plane with a never-ending layover? You're living the dream abroad, but managing your money across borders can be a nightmare. Can't open a local bank account? Frustrated with high fees on international transfers? Fear not, fellow Globetrotters. Today, we're diving deep into SoFi and its potential for non-US citizens. SoFi, the one-stop shop for all things finance, promises a sleek online platform for checking, savings, investing, and even loans. But can it truly be your financial oasis in the international jungle? Buckle up, because we're about to unpack the need-to-know details for non-US residents considering SoFi. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room. Can you even use SoFi if you're not a US citizen? Here's the good news, there's a chance. SoFi opens its doors to US citizens, permanent residents, and even non-resident alien holders with a valid Social Security number, SSN. So, if you fall under one of these categories and have an SSN, you might be eligible. But what about the rest of the international crew? For now, SoFi isn't quite ready to welcome everyone with open arms. If you're a non-resident alien without an SSN, you'll have to look elsewhere for your financial haven. Now, for those who do qualify, let's see what SoFi has to offer. SoFi checking and savings boast high-yield interest rates, potentially giving your hard-earned cash a major boost. Plus, there are no monthly maintenance fees, which is always a win. Imagine saying goodbye to those pesky charges that seem to mysteriously vanish from your account every month. Feeling adventurous? SoFi Invest might tickle your fancy. It allows you to trade stocks and ETFs commission-free, potentially saving you a ton on transaction fees. Building a diversified portfolio for your future has never been easier or cheaper. But SoFi isn't just sunshine and rainbows. There are limitations to consider. SoFi Invest, for example, is currently only available for US citizens and permanent residents. So, if you're a non-resident alien with an SSN, you're out of luck on the investment front, for now. Another hurdle, SoFi operates solely within the US. That means no international money transfers or having a fancy SoFi debit card to use abroad. So, while SoFi might help you manage your US-based funds, it won't necessarily replace your local bank for everyday transactions. So, the big question, is SoFi for you? If you're a non-US citizen with an SSN and primarily need a US-based checking and savings account with a competitive interest rate, then SoFi could be a strong contender. But remember, it won't be your all-in-one international financial solution. Here's the bottom line, SoFi shows promise for non-US residents who meet the eligibility criteria. It offers high-yield accounts and commission-free investing, for some. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution, especially if you need international banking features. Do your research, explore your options, and make sure SoFi aligns with your specific financial needs as a non-US citizen. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.